Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Today is Thursday, September 4th, October 4th, if I'm not mistaken. And we had an absolute blast today in the Learn Plan Profit live stream. So the Learn Plan Profit group is the private trading community that gets to watch me trade live every single morning. I cleared a little bit over $500 profit. I'm going to show you guys exactly just that. And I was actually contemplating about doing this. So again, the first link in the description is obviously if you want to learn more about Learn Plan Profit and if you want to be a part of it, that's an option. But the thing that I'm going to do is, regardless if you're part of Learn Plan Profit or not, if you're part of TechBud Solutions, that's our free trading community. We have over 160,000 members. You join our free Facebook group with that third link in the description, and once you get accepted, we offer a free Discord chat that's provided for you on the top pinned post of the Facebook group. What I'm going to do right now is not only did I but I feel like the information that I shared in the live stream today for those that are enrolled in Learn Plan Profit has to be one of the best, and has to be, I think, not only one of the best, but it was just so encouraging for someone that I think that might be struggling or that might just be getting started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this link right here. So this is 10/4, so obviously today, right? And for all those that are part of TechBud Solutions, I'm going to post it here in the announcement section. It's obviously going to be there. It's going to be there for the next 24 hours for anyone that wants to check it out. So if you want to watch it after this video, we have a morning live chat library. So again, they get to watch me trade live in real time every single morning. And we just did an absolute amazing job with just focusing on whatever's actively trending up, locking in profits, and then when we made a mistake, just acknowledging it and just with the natural gas report coming out, if you're someone that has ever traded that, if you've been struggling to stay consistently green, we go over certain concepts and just methods in effort to, I think, really overcome that. So real quick, I locked in profits on DGAS. The natural gas report came out, as you guys can see, at 7:30 like clockwork, and DGAS shot up. Again, we didn't know which one was going to go up, which one was going to go down. We just know usually when one goes up, and it peaks out, it usually pulls back and then consolidates. The thing that I like about DGAS today is that it's very bullish, right? It's trading between the middle and top VWAP, and that's why I personally found it to be so attractive today. I was able to lock in nearly $400 profit on just DGAS alone. You guys can see $399.30 profit, and I locked in profit way too early, as I normally do, right? But again, I saw a reason on why I wanted to sell at around the 1550 price point based on previous highs. So I locked in profits right around 1551, if I'm not mistaken. It pushed up to highs, it pulled back, bounced on the EMA line. The natural gas report came out. It was in favor of DGAS. Again, you never truly know which direction it's going to be going. So one thing that I do is I never hold during those reports. But for those that held, it pushed up about, what is that, 2.5% as it normally does? Oh, 5%. Wow. So it pushed up about 5%. Peaked out, then sold off. Again, we talked about just locking in profits, and then we closed out that live stream. One thing that I talked about in the morning was that /GC was showing signs of an uptrend during not only pre-market hours, but pretty much all day, and all night last night. I went over this concept that if you're really struggling to identify what's moving up, especially with ETFs, right as the market opens, then I would really encourage you again to watch the stream for those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, right? Literally just saw you in the Learn Plan Profit. Loved it. Super happy to hear that, Alan. But as of right now, /GC is still showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern in between the middle and top VWAP, and that's why I was paying so much attention to JNAG. I did a very quick day trade. My day trade was not even the best, but I locked in a little bit over $100 profit, $164.50. So altogether, like you see in the thumbnail, it puts me at $500 and what is it, $34, $64, something like that. So a little bit over $500, $500 to $750 is my daily goal. So I hit my daily goal, I'm all good, and now I'm going to focus on three things. I need to focus and make sure that every position that I take moving on forward is a good deal, right? Is a good deal. I'm not going to take any position just because it's aggressively pushing up. Again, that's two. I don't want to give back any of my profits. So I want to focus on getting in for a good deal. The second thing that I want to focus on is that its overall direction for the day, if I'm going to focus on a day trade, is showing signs of an uptrend. And then the last thing that I want to make sure that I do so I don't give back any of my profits is that if there's a break of pattern or if I hit my stop loss, right, that I end up cutting losses and then just moving away from it. So with understanding the direction in which it's moving, focusing on a good deal, and making sure that it's showing signs of an uptrend, altogether, then I should be good for the day, right? Obviously, not every single plan that I set up is going to go according to plan, and that's why we have a huge emphasis and focus on making sure that you always have a stop loss in mind, that you manage your risk along the way, and that you understand what pattern you see value in. So if there's a break of pattern, that you understand when to cut losses. So Tomas, I love your videos. I'm studying them very hard. I'm super happy to hear that. I think it's Tomaso, right? Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. So it says my mic is messed up. I don't think so. And no one else is saying anything about the mic. So yeah, man, battery died. Okay, so I'm trying to read some of the comments. All right, sounds good. So I just want to cover two things that I'm watching very closely before I close out the stream. Again, that's really just it. I wanted to talk about, my green trades. I wanted to share that video with you guys. So again, if you're part, so once you click that third link in the description and you join TechBud Solutions, this is the TechBud Solutions Facebook group. So I'm just going to refresh it real quick so you guys can see exactly what you will see. On the top pinned post, you will see this. In the announcements, it's a top pinned post that says group chat. All you do is you click this link and it will bing you on over to our Discord group, right? And that's this thing right over here. So this is the TechBud Solutions Discord group. And again, this is all for free. Get the ability to network with tens of thousands of people all across the world, right? And sharing information in real time. Now in the announcement section, again, please click on the start here as it explains like everything that's included. But once you get to the announcement section, right here under 10/4/2018, this is the morning live chat live stream that only those that are part of Learn Plan Profit get to watch me trade live. We have a morning live chat library, so if you ever miss a live stream, for those that are enrolled in Learn Plan Profit, can simply just tune on back and watch and rewatch that video. But altogether, obviously, being able to see me trade in real time is of huge value, because not only can I break down stocks and you can see me trade live, but I could also answer any questions that you might have in real time, and that's quicker than any direct message or anything like that. So one thing that I really like is the ascending uptrend pattern on DGAS. I like how it pulled back right around the middle view up. It's consolidating. No confirmations of a reversal just yet, but I'm watching it very closely. I like the RSI, I like the MACD. It just means that I'm watching it. It doesn't mean that I have to take a position. Another one is JNEG. I like the ascending uptrend pattern. I do think that it's a little bit more on the overbought side. I'm keeping a very close eye on /GC as I trade this to make sure that I understand the direction that it's headed and that it's not breaking its pattern, right? And then the last one that I wanted to talk about today is, well, TNDM. TNDM is doing a lot of consolidation. It's trading between the middle and top view up. I would solely focus on this to be a day trade, but it's doing a lot of consolidation, and it looks like this SMA line is most likely going to act as a resistance. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to be too actively wanting to take a position on that. And then the absolute last one is ticker symbol UWT. A lot of people were looking at UWT and DWT due to the potential reversal pattern. The only thing that I want to talk to you guys about is on the 180-day chart. Not that, the 180-day chart on the 4-hour, right? It's showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern. It's very overbought, right? No question about that, but it pulled back and it's bouncing around the SMA line, just like it did, I think, 1 or 2 days ago. So maybe something to take into consideration or to keep a very close eye on. So, yep, just wanted to show you guys the profits. Again, my profits on DIAS, again, $399.30, and then my profits on JNEG, $164.50. Those are my 2 trades for the day. I pretty much finished trading within the first hour of the market open. So just everything played out according to plan, and very thankful for that. I did make one little small mistake when it came down to one of my trades today. And if you watch the live stream that I posted in the announcement section for those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, you'll see kind of like what happened. So the live stream's about 1 hour, just like, I go live and trade for 1 hour every single day. And after you watch this live stream, I want to make sure that it's of value. If you like how we speak to one another, how we communicate, the way that I trade and stuff like that, after you watch that Learn Plan Profit live stream, do me the biggest favor, direct message me that you watched that Learn Plan Profit live stream, what you learned from it, and if you want to enroll in Learn Plan Profit and you're not already enrolled, all you have to do is direct message me within Discord, and we can talk about getting you a discount if you want to enroll and if you're interested and see value in my style of trading and also the way that we hold ourselves and carry ourselves. Again, you get to watch me trade live every single day. It's a one-time fee. You get access to the Learn Plan Profit video lesson library. And if it's of value for you and you think that I can be of assistance, then I would love to be a part of your success. So I'm going to keep it that simple, and I really do appreciate absolutely everything that is that you guys do. Ricky, can you be my sugar daddy? Says that is hilarious. So why don't you increase your daily goal? Again, I'm fine with the $500 to $750 a day. I usually can do that within the first 1 to 2 hours. And yes, if I trade with a little bit more money, maybe if I start trading with more than $30,000, that would make sense. But as of right now, I want to keep it very realistic. I want to keep it consistent and just focus on that. So I did get a question by Live Gain, says, would you consider swing trading DGAS? I would consider, again, I don't like telling people what to buy and what to sell and what to do, but I would just encourage you to check out the 180-day chart on DGAS itself. As it's showing signs of it being a little bit more, again, it's still a descending pattern, and that's something that we have to understand. So it's at around the SMA line, the EMA line, but the EMA line is still pointing down. So I think it's too early to tell. I would still focus on day trades until, again, we get that full-on confirmation reversal. So that's really just it, guys. I really do appreciate your time and your support. If there's anything that I can do to better assist you, then again, just feel free to comment it down in the comment section. And if you guys learned anything from this video or actually are really excited to watch that Learn Plan Profit video, would really appreciate the thumbs up if that's something that you would see of value. And I wish you guys an amazing Thursday. Let's keep it simple. Let's focus on whatever's actively trending up, and let's make sure that we lock in those profits. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green out. Take it easy.